Igbo na-ege wu Chineke nna kere chọọ ezigbo mma pụrụ iche biko na tupu anyị aga n'iru nwere atọpụ na afọ na screen n'ụbọchị nke tata mana anyị chọrọ ịgụ ya kịta achọrọ m ka m were ohere a wee kene nna anyị ukwu nwe dadi anyị many years ago zụrụ m microphone mgbe m bidoro this channel ọfụ sa na kana na-afụ your comment once in a while asị m ka m were ohere a wee kenekwa gị always say that you are proud of me. So I say come well today can appreciate you na ihe ọma imeela anyị yotago asem kan kene kwa gị because na onye chifu echeteli ya. I've always been very very grateful. Yotago I will always be grateful to ihe ọbụla imeela m asem kan well hela wee kene gị because na all the reason ịmarọ ijiro number m nwere ihe ọbụla ịma about me it just nye me a good that time and got a microphone, and I'm so glad that you can end my video and you always say that you are proud of me. So I say and also I say a closed mouth is a closed destiny. Actually me beautiful accessories. It has been in my mind all these years. Man amoram can say bido. Madam buy a bide amoram can say me. So be careful my video. Walonyema. Wale kima yes we nyala makamalaka yes me. Because reach out to me, sir, and I will be glad to communicate and to hear from you, sir. Thank you very much. A closed mouth is a closed destiny. So because nyamaka isi we nyalamaka ka isi we bidonya bi because na onye kwechi ekwe yotago oya mmadu bidolo ofu you will not see any macha ihe ni na mmadu da amachi ihe obuna amacha. So because phone accessory has been my very ultimate goal. Power bank charger all these things or them no be man asim kan kwe because na onye gba nkịtị chi ya gba nkịtị mana onye kwe chi ya ekwe. So bikono do that is my goal, sir. Begin after this video sim kan kenege and also tender my request to ndị Igbo ọbụla and to you especially. So bikono kekene kwa mono. Now let's dive into the topic I jini anobosi nke tata enwe right up here na phone screen. This guy say Afiabo Ikenna of Truth or say IPOB Ndogbewe can stage Obubu in the southwest. Onye na how SW mean southwest just to make them feel it is the band na date na attack them to make Mazen Nnamdi Kanu Nnamdi Kanu prophecy a reality. Onye ase ka ekwe mana tupu aya mecha ihe ni na onwe video nwanne anyị nwoke unafọ na akụkụ ọ sị na the video is all about ihe ọ na-ekwu based on Maazị Nnamdi Kanu nga ugbo achọrọ igbu ya because keta dị okwu awozi okwu life in prison okwuzi bụ okwuzi gịnị ogbugbu awareness na na-egbuzi na nke gịnị mezikwanụ mana Nigerian court agakata iru agawa azụmalụ ndị kwesịrị igbu egbu jụrụ eju na Nigeria today. That was really we would na Nigeria. Mana onwe ihe ụla mere anya. I say at the end of the day nke bụ eziokwu ya pụta mana I strongly believe that na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu jecha nka pụta na nghọta ọ ya pụta and everybody ye nwa aṅụrị ya mgbọsọ ya pụta. So biko nene video this our brother kwunu n'ihe okwu maka ọgbụgba asị na egbuzi Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na nke ikpeazụ ya ka ọ dịkwanụ.
Lovers of freedom, good afternoon. Today is 9th day of June 2026. I've been receiving a lot of calls and I just finished supervising my students here at Faculty of Law here, Veritas University. So that I received a lot of calls. People were bombarding me with a lot of this thing. I'm tired of responding. And I feel that it's necessary for me to make this video and to do some clarification with respect to Maazị Nnamdi Kanu's matter. Now, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu was convicted and sentenced to life jail. And being dissatisfied with the judgment, he appealed against it. When he appealed against it, federal government now cross appeal. And in their cross appeal, what they are asking is that life jail should be converted to death sentence, which is, what they feel that they can use to get something from the federal government. It's not as if that they have a case. After this thing now, I'm going to show you our grants. Then I will also publish you can see the notice of a cross appeal which they file. After reading it, read it in line alongside with the judgment of the court and the record of proceedings and our own grants of appeal. So you discover that they were just filing that in order to continue to exploit money from the federal government. At least let it be that they are doing something. They don't have any case. I hear them saying our grants of appeal, they are straightforward. You don't need even to have a law degree for you to know it. So you people should not be disturbed. Nobody, Nnamdi Kanu is going to come out. Not only coming out, it's going to come out strong. It's going to come out more stronger as he was before. So his spirit is high. You cannot kill somebody whose hands are clean. You cannot kill somebody who never committed anything. So for those of you who are wishing him death, Nnamdi Kanu will be alive to attend to your burial one after the other. So that one is on that. For lovers of freedom, I want to encourage you to remain steadfast. Where you have confusion, you let us know. So you can see the notice of appeal here. I've published it in this my wall. I will also state our grants of appeal so that you make our time. If you need any material, if you need the record of proceedings in soft copy, I can send it to you. If you need the judgment, I can, because this case is a case of public opinion. We are not hiding anything. We are tired of hiding things. We are going to be bringing it for people to see the kind of injustice Nnamdi Kanu is suffering in this country. Thank you and God bless you. I'll continue.
So guys, this is Nnamdi Kanu. You can see here on my screen. And according to the latest information, they say the federal government plan to buy am because I will call it they plan to buy an illegal way, because I've not seen anything where this particular young man do wrong. For this man to buy, it's better make Tinubu buy, make Akpabio buy. See, for this man to buy, it's better let everybody leading Nigeria now as a leader or a politician, make all of them buy. That is my message to the Nigerian federal government. And the funny thing when government go do now to say they won't buy Nnamdi Kanu or law, like they want to buy Nnamdi Kanu. That is when they go know see Nigerians, the patient. See the Eastern people when they talk, say they know they communicate, I be they know get cooperation. Now that time when I go know say they got cooperation. May not forget say some bad head from the Eastern people, Eastern states, they responsible to waiting Nnamdi Kanu they suffer for. Make una try and first. Now my message to the Nigerian federal government. See, at this point I want to ask the government. That they pardon, imagine say bandits where buy person or kidnapper where buy person where they kidnap people, they collect ransom, they claim lives. They imprison them. They know they buy them instantly. Imagine Nnamdi Kanu in own problem na be fought na be say in they agitate for Biafra. In want good people. In want Biafra to be what? To be approved. In want Biafra. In want in people to what? To give the Biafra. Now the only problem with that too. And I still want to ask the Nigerian government. For somebody to say you want something, waiting be una problem. Or waiting be una problem when I want break up for this country. Or as a black man with a black mind, una believe say to put everybody for Nigeria, make una will get upper hand, they loot the country treasure, now what you una want. Because even if una break up, some of una feel go na virus country and still be looting your money. So I want to ask, Nnamdi Kanu requested for a Biafra. Now in problem with that. And I still want to tell the Nigerians that are always tagging Nnamdi Kanu that during that time for is that they buy innocent people. See now why they dislike Nnamdi Kanu. My message to everybody is this. See, if una know what in politics means, una no go dey judge waiting one mouth talk. Make I tell una, this IBPO, actually, they were working for the Eastern people. And the purpose of their work now to secure the farmland of the East so that the terrorists will not penetrate through. Now their work that time be that. But I still want to bust your brain that even as they work to secure the land of the Eastern people, the bad people inside the politics in the Eastern people, they still they pass through underground to brainwash those people that are supposed to work, guide the land, then to be working against Nnamdi Kanu. Una no device enough. Now why this if they talk say yeah during that time they pipe And you believe now Nnamdi Kanu they instruct them to buy people or to buy innocent people, claim as you said? I told Nigerians that there are a lot of Nigerians that went to school. They even obtained master, PhD. But that PhD and master, now so they are mumu big rich. They obtain mumu for PhD, obtain mumu for master, obtain mumu for degree. That is how Nigerian education offer quality to citizens. Nigerian education produce useless people. The reason is they don't reason things before they conclude. As an educated person, you know what politics should mean. Check the life of Wike now. If Wike want to frustrate you, if you are not respecting Tinubu as a governor, Wike know how to attack that state to ensure he go frustrate you through banditry and the rest. I told Nigeria, you guys are looking at Wike like, see, he go shock now, see, person like Gumi and some other people, they go dey heaven the last day. But see person like Wike. Now Wike, Tinubu they use ring election. Now Wike, Tinubu they use do all the dirty work in all the states. See, to the Nigerian federal government, see, my point to you is this. I dare you to try what you now won't do. Now that time I go no say Eastern people they cooperate. Not just Eastern people. Everybody. Person like me. See, not everything they go they talk for social media. But the mistake when the federal government won't do now to try them. And I blame the US. They are always trying to intervene. The reason why they always tell us say US they corrupt is this. Most of our politicians, you guys know, they get big companies, big properties for you. Even the US government is even aware of it. Just that the white people, you get what they do. Even if they thief money, as far as they come to develop their country, they will have nothing. They will not even complain about anything. That is what I discovered about the US. At least them, they want good thing for themselves. But as a black man, we prefer to what? To carry our development to go and develop another man's country. I keep saying this thing. If your dad is a politician, if your dad is leading Nigeria, always advise your dad, because the repercussion of those things is going to call upon you when your papa know the again, your mama know the again. Now me and you, una don't watch horror film before. Once those old men where they mess up now, they mess them up finish. That horror film where they watch, where only you know if you sleep inside, and waiting go later happen to Nigeria. Along.